11 years that we must innovate or die. And we believe it. We believe that innovation is the secret.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm proud to present to you today the world's first compact sectional sewing machine on an 18-volt battery, eliminating all electrocution hazards users currently encounter with their sectional machines. It is extremely lightweight, making transportation easier than ever before. With this tool, users can solve all issues they encounter in drains from 32 mm up to 160 mm. Let's walk through the tool and its features. This tool is incorporated on our M18 fuel platform. Our well-known fuel technology in combination with the M18 12-amp-hour battery gives the user the runtime and the power they need. Additionally, no cords mean no electrocution hazards. These tools are often used in wet environments. When working under these conditions, having a corded tool is extremely dangerous. It also means no need to search for power when working in remote areas. Due to the light weight of the tool, with only 14 kilograms including battery, transporting this tool is easier than ever before. The shoulder strap, which can be easily connected to the top of the tool, allows the user to comfortably transport the tool to their job. Its small footprint allows users to do their job in very tight spaces, such as kitchens, toilets and rooftops. This tool works with 16 and 22 mm cables from both Milwaukee and other leading manufacturers. Milwaukee provides the users with 16 and 22 mm cables available with and without inner core and a full range of attachment heads. With these cables and our range of attachment heads, the user can work in drains from 32 mm all the way up to 160 mm. The Milwaukee drain cleaning lineup is not just the only cordless drain cleaning lineup in the industry, it also allows the users to pick their favorite tools to unclog drains from 32 mm up to 200 mm. The compact sectional sewing machine addresses all the needs and expectations of the professional drainer. The MX Fuel Sewer Drum Machine with power threads. The world's first large drum machine powered by a battery with better mess containment, more safety features and integrated power threads that allow the user to transport the tool up and down the stairs all by themselves. Let's dive deeper into the tool. First off, power threads. The biggest issue for users with these tools is transportation. Large, heavy tools often require two people to get them up and down the stairs and in or out of their vans. With the integrated power threads, the user can align the tool with the stairs and the tool will automatically go up and down the stairs with the push of a button. The power threads are powered by the battery, which is on our MX Fuel platform, our latest battery platform that redefines light equipment. Another major issue is mess containment. Milwaukee has integrated a double drum that keeps all the mess that comes out of the drain contained within the outer drum. It also eliminates all spinning parts, which provides the user with increased safety. Additionally, we have an electrical foot pedal. Due to the battery-powered system, we are able to use an electrical foot pedal instead of an air pedal, which gives the user better control and more durability. Lastly, the automatic feed and retract with integrated rapid stop to prevent the cable from binding up. Whenever the cable is about to bind up, the user only needs to push down on the rapid stop button to immediately release the bearings that feed and retract the cable. With the MX Fuel drum machine, we can clear clogs in drains from 75 millimeters up to 200 millimeters, extending the only cordless drain cleaning lineup in the market to be able to clear clogs from 32 millimeters all the way up to 200 millimeters. Users can simply pick their favorite drain cleaning tools and have battery power anywhere. The MX Fuel drum machine addresses all the needs and expectations of the professional drain cleaner. Welcome to this presentation of M12 Plumbing Locator. This locator has two sets of 3D omnidirectional antennas that guide the user to the sondes. By simply following an arrow without any go signals, locating has never been easier. Let's dive deeper into the tool. The locator is on our M12 platform. That makes this locator one of the few rechargeable locators and the only one with a quick interchangeable rechargeable battery. For users that currently use alkaline-powered locators, this not only saves money in batteries, it also eliminates the stress when you are on the job site and your batteries are empty. On an M12 2-amp-hour battery, we have a runtime of 13 hours, providing the user with more than enough time to do their jobs. The locator is also IP65 rated to withstand the toughest job site conditions. As I said, this locator makes the job easier and simpler. The two sets of 3D antennas automatically calculate where the two poles are and directly guide the user to the sonde by simply following an arrow. This not only saves time for current users, it is also easy for new users. You simply turn on the locator, match the frequency your sonde is sending out, and you follow the arrow to your point of reference. Additionally, we have a built-in line trace to follow the push cable of your camera, a passive line trace for 50 and 60 Hz to avoid digging into any power lines, and radio frequencies. The M12 locator is developed to be used in combination with the M18 sewer inspection camera system, and the compatibility between the two is unmatched. This does not mean that the locator cannot be used with any other camera systems out there, as it receives all standard frequencies needed. The Milwaukee M12 Plumbing Locator addresses all the needs and expectations of the professional drain cleaner that use these to locate their sondes and trace their lines on a daily basis. The M18 Sewer Inspection Camera System. This camera system consists of a 25mm HD self-leveling camera with a 36-meter long push cable, a 34mm HD self-leveling camera with a 60-meter long push cable, a smart hub with 500GB hard drive and built-in transmitter to trace the push cable, and a wireless monitor with a reach up to 60 meters. Let's go through the different parts of the system, starting with the camera reels. We have the small reel with a 25mm HD camera head, 9mm thick push cable to make reaching those longer runs easier, a fully enclosed drum built on a thick, high-quality plastic metal combination frame to contain the mess and withstand the toughest conditions. We have incorporated a backpack plate to make transport a lot easier. The user can remove these once they have reached their job to place their reel with the best stability on uneven surfaces. The large reel, equipped with a 34mm HD camera and an 11mm thick push cable, is able to reach those long 60-meter inspections. It is built with the same enclosed drum and high-quality plastic metal frame to contain the mess and withstand those toughest conditions. Instead of the backpack straps, we have large 150mm all-terrain wheels that gives the user the stability they need transporting the camera on all surfaces. Now, the Smart Hub. The Smart Hub is interchangeable between both camera reels with one push of the button. This makes it extremely easy for users to swap between different cameras, giving them the flexibility they need. With an integrated 500GB hard drive and Wi-Fi modem, we can extract jobs and reports up to 60 meters away fully wireless. Additionally, there is an integrated transmitter that allows the user to trace the push cable and line out exactly where those pipes go. The Smart Hub is IP54 rated to withstand those tough job site conditions working outside in remote areas. On a 5 amp hour battery, we have a runtime of 8 hours. The last piece of the system is view and record. We have here the wireless monitor. It has an 8-inch LCD sun-readable screen with a USB-A connection for direct exporting of jobs and a USB-C connection for wired connectivity to the Smart Hub. The monitor automatically connects with the Smart Hubs around it, making setup easier and quicker than ever. The monitor is, like the Smart Hub, IP54 rated to withstand those tough conditions. Additionally, we can connect to the Smart Hub with a tablet or smartphone. The Milwaukee Pipeline Inspection app allows the user the same functions they have with their monitor and can be downloaded for free in the iOS and Android store. The user is therefore not obligated to purchase the monitor if they are already in possession of a tablet or smartphone and would like to continue using them. The Milwaukee Sewer Inspection System addresses all the needs and expectations of the professional drain cleaner that use these cameras on a daily basis.
Milwaukee already offers the biggest lineup of portable bandsaws, and we are now adding another absolute highlight to this range. We are committed to provide end users with solutions that saves time and increase productivity on the job site. But even more important is to make those jobs safer. So it's my pleasure to present the first 12-volt bandsaw on the market today with a 64mm cutting capacity. Used with an M12 4 amp hour battery, the saw weighs only 3.2 kilos, make it the lightest bandsaw in its class. This is up to 1 kilo lighter than the competition, allowing easy one-hand overhead cutting. Its compact design allows it to be safely used in tight areas with limited space. This bandsaw utilizes our fuel technology to provide the cutting speed you need to get through any application. We will now show you how this M12 fuel bandsaw performs compared to an 18-volt competitor cutting through a Unistrut. As you see, the Milwaukee tool is easily able to outperform the higher voltage competition, making it the fastest cutting bandsaw in its class. With the M12 4 amp battery, the saw can make up to 25 cuts in 41 by 41 mm Unistrut on a single charge. As highlighted earlier, safety is very important for us, and that's why this bandsaw comes with an integrated blade cover which protects the user from injury. Additionally, the saw is equipped with a dual action trigger to prevent any accidental startups. Not only do those features increase the safety on the job site, but the tool is safer than any other grinder or sawzall competition on the market. The Milwaukee bandsaw runs more quietly, with no sparks and less vibration, while still offering a faster, cleaner and cold cut. This saw has even more features designed specifically around you. A tool-free blade locking mechanism for quick and easy saw blade changes and a lockable adjustable shoe. A variable speed trigger and LED light for maximum control and visibility while cutting. An integrated rafter hook for easy storage between cuts. To protect against drops and debris, we have included our job site armor technology to enhance the tool's durability. Milwaukee now offers the biggest lineup of cordless portable bandsaws. The current M12 bandsaw with 41mm cutting capacity is for light commercial electricians and residential plumbers. In addition, the new M12 fuel bandsaw with 64mm cutting capacity is also perfect for industrial electricians and sprinkler fitters. Finally, do not forget our M18 fuel compact bandsaws with 85mm cutting capacity for industrial electricians and plumbers, and for even larger diameter pipes, we offer the M18 deep cut bandsaw with 125mm cutting capacity.
This is the Milwaukee M18 FPT2, the world's first battery-powered pipe threader with a maximum capacity of up to 2 inch. The tool is not only revolutionary because it's battery-driven and has a runtime of up to 25 threads on a 2-inch black iron pipe on one 12-amp-hour battery. It also delivers many features that allow you to cut faster, easier and safer. Let's have a look on the features of the tool. The tool's die head reception fits 3 different adapters for the most common competitor threader heads, which are Rems, Ridgid and Rothenberger. The user can simply choose the right adapter for their preferred threading head and lock the die head into place. The user can do this by opening the retaining ring, pushing the head in until it clicks and closing the retaining ring. The most important aspect for us is the safety of our end users. For this reason, we added the anti-kickback mechanism to the tool. This anti-kickback shuts off the tool immediately if the die head gets stuck on the pipe. This safety feature prevents the tool from spinning around the pipe, which is a common risk that causes serious injury. This can happen if the support arm is not mounted correctly at the pipe or if the user is threading free-handed. With anti-kickback, you are never in danger of losing control of your tool. The support arm I just mentioned is of course also part of the kit contents. It can easily be clamped onto the pipe to support the threader during the threading process and minimize the strain on the user. Extra grip and better control is provided by the integrated side handle at the front of the tool. This allows the user to align the die head and push the tool against the pipe at the start of the threading process. This improves user safety as it removes the need to push the tool at the spinning die head. The tool provides 2 speed settings. Setting 1 is for low speed, setting 2 for higher speed. For sizes up to 1 inch, they can be threaded at a higher speed in setting 2. The sizes above 1 inch require a higher cutting force and therefore should only be threaded in first gear. You can also control the threading speed of the tool with the variable speed trigger. Thank you very much for watching.
For over 11 years that we must innovate or die, and we believe it. We believe that innovation is the secret